Production tutorial, camera framing. This would be an example of an extreme long shot. It's used as an establishing shot and shows mostly landscape. The subject is very far away and difficult to see. This would be a long shot. It's a shot from a far distance. The subject is easier to see from the extreme long shot, but is still far away. The subject is half the frame height or less. This would be a medium long shot. The subject has considerable head and foot room. This would be a full shot. The standing subject fills the screen from top to bottom with little head and foot room. This would be a three-quarter shot. It shows the subject from knee length to head. A medium shot shows the subject from belt line to the top of the head. A medium close-up shows the subject from mid-abdomen to head. And a close-up shows the subject from the shoulders to the top of the head. The big close-up shows the subject from slightly below the chin to around the hairline. And the extreme close-up shows the subject from the base of the nose to the eyebrows. In an extreme long shot, the camera will be very far from the subject. The camera would be back here, while the subject would be all the way up here. In a long shot, the camera would be a little bit closer, but still pretty far away. It would be here to there. A medium long shot is again closer, but still kind of far. From there to there. And a full shot is getting pretty close. You're close to the subject. From there to there. A three-quarter shot, you're getting pretty close. There to there. A medium shot, you're only a few meters back. There to there. Medium close-up, you are about a meter back from the subject. And a close-up, you're about half a meter from the subject. A big close-up, you're a few centimeters. And an extreme close-up, you're pretty much touching the subject. Camera movements. Zoom. The camera moves from extreme long shot to a close shot, or a close shot to a long shot, by simply pushing a button. The subject gets larger or smaller. Push in out with using a dolly. The dolly pushing the camera, or the camera operator physically moves closer or farther away. Pan. The camera rotates from side to side. Tilt. The camera moves up and down by tilting. Crane. The camera moves straight up and down. Follow or track. When the camera moves from side to side. Camera positioning. Bird's eye. You see the ground and the person's head and arms. High angle. The subject has the ground as the background. Neutral or eye level. It's a shot in which the camera is more or less at the subject's eye level. Low angle. You can still see both the sky and the ground. The ground is about halfway up the subject's torso. Worm's eye. You don't see any ground, just the sky. And point of view. You see what is being filmed from the person holding the camera. Depth of field is the distance between two people on the same ground level, except one is closer and one is farther back. The second one looks smaller because they are farther back, even though they're actually not. That's because they're standing deeper than the first one.